Metalcinkara, as part of the Maxim Group, deals with the service of corrosion protection of metal structures by hot dip galvanizing. The most up-to-date hot dip galvanizing line of Metalcinkara, metal galvanizing plant, is in India. However, the company has yet another plant in Ćuprija. Its overall annual capacity is more than 60,000 tons. Metalcinkara offers professional solutions for the design and preparation of construction technology. Its own processes were established in accordance with the quality management system requirements, dealing with the environment and health protection and safety at work management. From the very beginning in 2004, Metalcinkara has had a market orientation both in the domestic and international markets.